Students, this physics you will study class 10th spherical mirror reflecting surface. Spherical mirror, just you can imagine a hollow glass sphere. A part of this hollow glass sphere you can consider. A part of spherical mirror is polished. A spoon you can consider. ये क्या होगा? ए पार्ट ऑफ द होलो ग्लास स्फेयर, स्टील स्फेयर. ये सरफेस क्या होगा? इस साइड अगर पॉलिश है तो ये क्या हो गया? इट विल एक्ट एज ए कनकेव मिरर. अगर ये साइड पॉलिश है इट विल बी एज ए कन्वेक्स मिरर. स्पून ऑल्सो एक्ट एज ए कनकेव. ये अगर पॉलिश है तो दिस इज कनकेव सरफेस, एक्ट एज ए कनकेव मिरर. और ये साइड पॉलिश है तो दिस विल एक्ट एज ए कन्वेक्स mirror. So now definition of spherical mirror: a mirror whose reflecting surface is curved. Reflecting surface क्या है? Curved है और spherical is known as spherical mirror. There are two types of spherical mirror: concave spherical mirror and convex spherical mirror. Just you can imagine एक hollow glass sphere है. अगर ये पार्ट कंसीडर करो और इस साइड जो अगर हम पॉलिश कर दें, ये क्या होगा? ए पार्ट ऑफ होलो ग्लास स्फीयर, वन साइड इज पॉलिश्ड, तो दिस इज नोन एज स्फेरिकल मिरर. कनकेव मिरर. कनकेव मिरर इज ए पार्ट ऑफ होलो ग्लास स्फीयर, आउटर साइड, कन्वेक्स साइड इज पॉलिश्ड. और ये कनकेव सरफेस क्या हुआ? रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस. कन्वेक्स मिरर. कन्वेक्स मिरर क्या हो गया? तो ये साइड जो है इनर साइड इज पॉलिश्ड, inner side is polished, outer side is reflecting surface. This inner side is polished, outer side. So spherical mirror is two types: concave spherical mirror and convex spherical mirror. So there are this also you can consider spoon. ये क्या हो गया? ये साइड जो है concave side, reflecting surface acts as a concave mirror. This side acts as a convex mirror. Now there are some terms. Some terms you can find. First term you can consider pole. ये mid point of the mirror, mid point of the mirror, middle point of the mirror is known as pole. Center of curvature. Center of curvature. ये center of the hollow glass sphere, center of the spherical mirror is known as center of curvature. Radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. Distance between pole and center of curvature is known as radius of curvature. It is represented by R. The distance between pole and center of curvature is known as radius of curvature. Aperture. Diameter of the spherical mirror is known as aperture. Focus. Focus, in this way you can consider the rays are coming parallel to each other. After reflection from the mirror, they will converge at a point. This point is known as principal focus. The rays are coming parallel to each other. After reflection, they converge at a point F. This point F on the principal axis is known as principal focus. So this concave mirror is also known as converging mirror, because the rays coming parallel to each other, after reflection they will converge, they will meet at a point. और ये convex mirror is known as diverging mirror. So this you can see the rays coming parallel to each other, after reflection they appears to diverge, they appears to diverge. So concave mirror is known as converging mirror, after reflection they are converging, and convex mirror is known as diverging mirror, after reflection from the mirror they diverge from a point, that point is known as principal focus, focal length. Focal length, the distance between pole and focus is known as focal length, and there is a relation between focal length and radius of curvature. So this r is equal to 2f, or f is equal to r by 2. So this distance is known as r, and this distance is known as f. So f is equal to r by 2. This is the relation between focal length and radius of curvature.